So let's see how long it takes me to make this salad, okay? So this is the Caesar salad kit that I got from Costco. Okay, I'm sorry, I have a moment. So I got this from Costco. Everything's in it: lettuce, croutons, dressing, and then the cheese. Oh my God, all this? Oh, okay, it's enough for 2 salads. I'm gonna have to, I wash my hands, I'm gonna have to put half of it back. Oh, this is just, but it's good, it's a good thing. It's only 3 of us. Okay, so now I'm looking at it. There are 2 dressings in here. Yeah, one second. Normally my daughter does this for me. Wait a minute. How come there's only 1 set of croutons? What the heck? You think there's enough salad in here for 2. There's 2 salad dressings, but there's only croutons. Okay, she doesn't like croutons anyway. 1 package of cheese in here. Seems like they should tell you what ingredients are in here. Okay. So I'm only going to use half of it. I got 2. I'm only going to use 1. My scissors that I keep in the kitchen here. Oops, I gotta put something else in the oven. This in a tray. It up before I shake it. I have to have dishwater on hand. I mean, I feel like I'm washing my hands every few minutes. Every time my hands get dirty. Okay, this doesn't look like. I don't know. Okay, so you know what? I thought I was gonna have to shake it. But no. That's enough. Oh, did I put the cheese in? I did put cheese in. Yeah, I see the cheese in. I'm gonna put half the croutons in there. You see, I can put the salad in the bowl. Okay. It took me 4 minutes. And that was part of my senior moment minutes added in there as well.